Uyazi ukuthi yini ekwenza ukuthi ujabule uma ucosha ngemali? Ngisho ngabe kuthiwa incane kanjani. Uyazi yini ekwenza ujabule? Ukuthi ubungayilindele. Ubungayi-expectile. There were no expectations ukuthi uzocosha leyo mali. So ngisho kuthiwa incane kanjani iyakujabulisa. Lento ikutshela ukuthini? Ikutshela ukuthi once kwangaba khona ama-expectations lapho kukhonani i-happiness, but uma ke kwakhona ama-expectations kukhonani i-disappointment. Yes, ukube kuthiwa bewazi ukuthi imalini ekumele uyicoshe lapho bese wena uzocosha engaphansi kwaleyo, bewungeke uzujabule. Ngobani? Sewuvele sewu-expectile, uyabo? Yeah, lower your expectations in life. Just because now that you are working, and now you are expecting 1, 2, 3 in your life. If it doesn't go that way, kwenzekalani? You get disappointed, you get to compare yourself with others, and then you think things are not going your way. Kanti wena ubunama expectations akho for the mere fact ukuthi kwenzekile lokho kwenzekile, you should have been grateful ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelele changes akasho ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini, noma inini, noma kanjani, kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya, ungatatazeli, uyabona. Ngisatheke ngiyabekezela la, ngiyalunywa la. Hey, bese ngisho ukuthi ngizoqeda nini ukusho isingeniso. Right ke. Uma engekho ama-expectations, there's no disappointment lapho, yabo? Kukhona yona ini i-surprise. Wow, I'm surprised. So khona i-delight, khona i-happiness. But uma kukhona ama-expectations, kune disappointment. Ngithi ayizwa indaba. So can you try to see and be aware of yourself when you are now developing expectations, instead of you being grateful of the opportunity that has presented itself kuwena, or that has been granted by the higher power to you, and cease to raise hopes and expectations, because what is going to come? Emotional avalanche. Yizwa indaba. Phela angithi you have something to compare la. Yabo, once you have two things to compare, that is where inkinga iqala khona. Ngoba nale nto bathi isin, it's because bashoni duality. If there is a duality, there is this and that. And mind is a measuring tool. Measurements means you are measuring from one point to the next. That is the duty of the mind, measuring this and that, duality. This is a dual nature that we are operating in. So uma kungekho lutho pure, that is why kuthiwa umbuso wezulu ngowabantwana. Why kusho njalo? You are at peace. Ingane ayinama expectations. Ingane I expected lutho ingane. Yonke into ithatha njengoba injalo, njengoba iza. Delighted ingane happy, ijatulisa ngisho into encane. Why? I expected lutho vele. Ayinanto ezoqhathanisa nayo. Kodwa once ingane yazi manje ukuthi kukhona lokho bese kuba khona lokho. Ingane beyijabulela nombani, ijabulela ingane ijabulela. Once ingane yazi ukuthi oh lo uyena ke lo obizwa ngokuthi umfowethu lo owamakhelwane nje lo, akusebona ke abantu nje kuyona. Sekune duality, akusebona nje abantu, kodwa sekukhona ukuthi lo owakithi lo akuyena owakithi. Yabona? So sekuyini leso isahlukaniso iyona ke lento okukhulunywa ngayo even in the Garden of Eden, ukuthi wazibona ukuthi awu sekudle kwi-tree of knowledge wayibona ukuthi hambet isehlukanisa i-duality, ukuthi waqala wadeveloper now usuwazi lokhu nalokhu. Yes, eqaleni ubupyo bingekho into uqhathanisa la. Bengakhuluma ngijule ngale yonto, kodwa nje ngifuna ukukutshela mina ukuthi uma ufuna ukwehlisa ukuphoxeka, ufuna ukwehlisa i-despair, disappointments, shame, discouragements, yehlisa ama-expectations. Mufuna ukuba at peace nje, ngathi awungoba nakho usezongilobola, hawu ngoba sengithola sekuzoba kanje, kusho ukuthi i-opportunity ifika izipresente kuwe. Nansi opportunity. Instead of you being grateful of this opportunity, now you start to say, oh, now just because this has happened, now I'm expecting this to happen as well. Uma kungasenzeki lokho, naso-ke uyaphoxeka. Benga-expectile lutho mina, yabo, benga-expectile lokho. Mina ngithatha i-opportunity njengoba injalo ukuthi awu wow sekukanje, alright, yabo, oh sengifakwe kule partnership, okay, yabo. Esikhundleni sokuthi uyithola uba umuntu onama expectations, yabo, ube ngoba mase unama expectations, you get so attached to the outcome, to the point ukuthi we are too controlling, we are trying to control life, you micromanage life instead of living it. You no longer become a human being, you become a human doing all the wrong things, because now you are trying to sway the life to the direction you want instead of flowing with the flow. Lower your expectations so that life will take you wherever you need to be. Angithi mina, I'm a chart reader, I won't forget that one. Follow your strategy and authority. Ithini i-authority yakho, sithini strategy sakho. Maui generator, responder, don't initiate, don't sleep and wake up and try to be controlling and say I should be doing this and that, this should have been happening in my life. No, you're initiating, nothing is coming, but now you're trying to force things to happen. That's not the nature of who you are. Yabo, kunegama lesingisi engilikhohlwayo la, yabo, kunegama lesingisi engilikhohlwayo la elisho ukuthi unga expect. Ngizovula la engibhala ama notes khona ami i-human design, because ngiyazi ukuthi lapha na ku-gate state, ku-gate state ama-gate of desires lawo, i-gate of desire. Umuntu no-gate 30 echartini lakho umuntu onama-desires, to the point ukuthi kulula kwena ukuthi ungadevelopa lento ekuthiwa i-addiction ngenxa yokuthi unama-desires, uba too dense, ube nama-expectations. Leli gama angilibhalanga la, but you need to surrender, yabo. Let's go with the attachments. Khona igama engilifunayo ukuthi unga-expect, but you can just foresee, you can just foresee rather than expecting. More expectile, leli gama liyabaleka man. More expectile sokuwukuthi ngempela this is what engikulindele. I'm more envisioning and foreseeing, and usuke ubuka ahead ukuthi this is what I envision, yabo. But ngi-receptive ukuthi whatever happens, it can happen. I'm not attached to a certain outcome, yabo, ukuthi yenzeke. So whatever happens, lokho kwenza futhi ukuthi ungabi too serious ngempilo and too like heavy, yabo, kodwa ube njani, ube light, and by that time you attract more of the things that align with you. Iyohlangana ngomhla ka 2 May, a morning side, Mitchell's back.